In this video, I'll show you how to set up your category weighting for your different assignment types based on the decisions that your CLT made as a team. To get to this page, we'll hover over the blue banner over Gradebook and click on Gradebook Setup. That will bring us to this first gray tab, Gradebook Setup. Before following this video, please make sure you have followed the assignment types to set up the 4 HMS assignment types. You should see your name listed under the assignment types. If you're seeing just the district-wide ones, I need you to set up assignment types with your own name on it first. So let's click back over to Gradebook Setup. One thing you might notice when you come over here is you have a lot of different assignment types and you're not sure which to use. The first thing I want you to do is next to which assignment types would you like to use for this class, you're instead going to click Only Show My Types. And you can click Update just to save that. All right, so now you'll see we have a much more cleaned up version of only my types that I have created myself, and these are the HMS approved types. In the weight percent column, you're going to put in the percents that your CLT agreed on. Once you're done filling out that column, you can go down to the bottom here and select whichever other classes this weighting should also apply to. You'll notice this new box, Allow Class Weighting to be set up by grading period. Please ignore that box. We don't want to check it. Once you've set this up, you'll click again in the top right-hand corner, the green Update button.